Here's how you can make a Recoome and gacha online. Let's do this. Okay, so hold on. This might be hard to find because okay, here it is. Real hair 1000 and 307. Front hair 5. Back hair 1200 and 490. Okay, found it. Cape 1000 and 591. Belt 300 and 369. R pants 9200 and 900 and 266. Oh yeah, and I gave away back hair color. Well, here's for back hair. Yeah. Oh crap. This is very okay. Shirt 1200 and 541. Gloves 9. Eyes 2. Wait, I'm gonna try one more time to find this eye, cause that immediately it was all an epic fail. Get out, an epic fail. Shut up. No, get out of my room. Glasses 32. I'm gonna tell mom if you don't get out.
I'm trying to do something. You're not letting me.
Get out. No. You're not even doing anything. You're just sitting there. Get out. Shoes 5. Okay. Here's that color. No, okay. Hair red. You already know color. Green. Eyes. Glasses. Oh yeah, let's not forget about jacket. Jacket 5299. Green for color 2. Finish.